do you look at resources across many projects? Meaning, what software method do you use?
Well, it was in a footnote on one of the pages. There's sometimes some confusion about what a portfolio is, and indeed, normally, if there is a conflict, the projects have to be in the same portfolio, right? You shouldn't, if I can keep it simple, you should not have a conflict of resources between two separate portfolios. They should have been integrated in one. Anyway, point one. In terms of software, when we're agnostic, we use anything that exists. There are several. On the website that I mentioned that is dedicated to critical chain, you will see that there is a permanently updated list of, I believe at the moment, 6 or maybe 7 different software solutions that do critical chain. There's a whole spectrum of stuff which is just an add-on to MS Project, where you get the extra screen and the extra menu in MS Project, to systems that are standalone project management systems at all sorts of configurations and costs. Some of them are better at mixing in agile with critical chain. Some are better at managing huge projects internationally and whatever. Have a look. We use a lot of different ones, several. In what the examples you've seen today, we use several different pieces of software. It's not a critical chain is not a software thing, right? It's a sort of different way of thinking and managing. The software is there to do fairly simple backup work, and in fact, for me, the main challenge in the software of critical chain is not the algorithm that you're using in there. It's how well you urbanize it, how well you integrate it into your IT systems, because if you don't watch out, you're going to get a lot of confusion and dissatisfaction with regards to people typing in their timesheets. I spent so many hours on this project or this subject, okay? And you want to make sure that they're dealing with the right information, not having to do reporting in 2 separate systems, eventually conflicts with the billing. Eventually, you need to work out what the time remaining is. I didn't get to that level of detail, but if you really want to give good visibility, you don't say not only how much time you spent on the subject, but how much time is there left before you finish this task. That is important to give visibility, and you don't find that in most organizations. So the software itself is, there are plenty of options, but one of the important things is how well you integrate that software into your ERP system, so that it's all fluid and linked in and linked up. Okay.